Every year people say, this is my year. And by March, they're the same as person, with the same as habits and same as excuses, same life. They haven't changed. And if you don't change how you live daily, your habits and everything, 2026 will be just another year you survived. Yeah, think about it. And not another year that you're proud of, if you even had those before. Like, if you truly think about it, when was the last time you were proud of something that you did? Like, actually proud. Yeah, think about it for a moment. And your life won't magically just improve with a new calendar year. If you keep the same as habits, you will get the same results. If you keep scrolling when you wake up, if you keep scrolling when your boss lets you on your break, you will live the same life. You won't even live, you will survive. Because if you think about it, you're not living. You're like an NPC in GTA. You're just going through wherever life takes you. You're not even your own life's decision maker, not yet at least. And you need to pick one path and stick to it. You can't have 20 different goals that you want to achieve. You need to have one clear path, one clear direction. For example, in 2026, I will become a person who's worthy of success. Or in 2026, I will become the type of person who's worthy of earning 10K per month, or whatever you want to be. It can be, I want to be disciplined, fit, focused, trusted, respected, because respect comes a long way. And you don't achieve it, you don't start making progress, you're not becoming confident only by thinking. You're doing it when you start acting. You become confident in everything you do by keeping promises to yourself every single day. You do what you say you're going to do every single day. It sounds strange, but it's just like that. And it's crazy because you won't feel motivated for days, most days, and it doesn't matter, because winning in 2026 means doing what you said you would do and actually doing it, even if you don't feel like it. And you need to cut out the time wasters, because time is ticking, world is turning, and every day you waste, it becomes harder to get in the game. It gets harder to achieve what you want to achieve, because I can talk about it for hours, but I won't get into detail it today. But this year, you need to stop scrolling. You need to get out your comfort zone, and you need to stop avoiding hard things, because if you continue wasting your time, you lose all the year, and you wait until the next year to start. You wait until 2027 to start. And what happens then? Same thing happens. You lose the momentum, you lose everything, and the loop continues just the next year. So you need to stop wasting time. You need to get in a good environment, and one environment that actually forces you to grow. You need a good circle of friends with you, the ones who take you up and don't check you down. You need to, like, the bare minimum for this year, you need a gym membership, you need a clean workspace, you need to have good people around you, and your environment should make discipline even easier and laziness harder. You need to make your environment feel like, if you're not doing the things you say you're going to do, you feel like you're wasting your time. And you don't measure progress, you feel stuck. You need to track everything. You need to track workouts, habits, sleep, calories, everything towards your goal. For example, if you want to get fit, you need to track your sleep, because sleep is very important. You need to track your calories, workouts, sets, reps. I can go on, but you need to track everything.